Well, hey y'all, how's everybody? I hope everybody's doing well. I hope 2020 is treating everybody wonderful so far. So guys, I have got some more possible future spoilers for the 2020 boxes in BoxyCharm. So if you're excited for this video, y'all go ahead and hit the thumbs up button. Also hit your subscribe button. Make sure your bell's on. That way you are notified every time I upload. And before we get started, if you're new here, hi, I'm Mandy. I do a lot of makeup related videos. Now sometimes I'll go off track and do something else I'm interested in, but I promise not to disappoint you all the time. Now let's read the first comment from my last video, which were spoilers for the January Ipsy Glam Bag Ultimate Box. Congratulations, Amy Anderson. Amy says, love you, Mandy. Happy first Sunday in 2020. So I told her, you know what, Amy? That ain't the only thing first today. You are also first, honey, and I really appreciate that. I love you, girl. And if you yourself would like to get a shout out, be sure to leave a comment under this here video. You're going to have 1 out of 2 chances of getting it. You could either set your own and try to be first at it, or you could be one of the comments I pick. You never know. I might pick you. Now stay tuned till the end when I read the comment that I did pick. Alright guys, so let's go ahead and dive into this madness. Now I found this on Instagram, and of course they showed up as, would you like to receive this product? Or how excited would you be to receive this product? So you know it's going to be a future spoiler. It shows the Ciate London Dewy Spritz. That is a primer and a setting spray, and I've got this one, and I absolutely love it. It gives you a glow. I just absolutely love it. Now the next thing that they showed was, would you be excited to get Fenty Beauty in a future BoxyCharm box? And well, duh, everybody wants Fenty, so you know that's coming. So I'm excited to see what they'd have by her. But that's it, guys. So as soon as they reveal anything else, you know I'm going to keep you updated. You know I got to keep you in the loop. And as always, BoxyCharm's link below if you want to go check them out. Now, guys, let's read the comment that I picked in my last video. Well, congratulations, Rhonda Brooks. Rhonda says, hey, Mandy, pick me. Love ya. Well, guess what, honey? I did pick you. I seen you down there, honey. Thank you so much for your support. I really appreciate it. I hope your 2020 is going great. Thank you again so much, honey. Love you, girl. Remember, guys, leave that comment if you want to get a shout out. And guys, please make sure you're still subscribed to my channel. YouTube's taking my subscribers, likes, comments. They're taking it all. Trying to ruin my life is what they're trying to do. But if you would double check that, make sure you're still subscribed. And if you're not, why the hell not? I mean, it's 100% free and it's a gift from me to you. And it's rude not to accept a gift, so you gotta take it. So go on down there and hit that button. Then I'm gonna need y'all to rate the video, but you're only gonna have one option. You can only hit the thumbs up button because my thumbs down button quit working a long time ago and YouTube won't fix it. It really just shows engagement, but it also shows me what videos you guys are liking, what I need to do more of. Then there's one more tiny thing before you guys head out. Damn YouTube. If you would make sure your notification bell is set on, that way you don't miss another upload of mine. You'll catch all the spoilers. Guys, I also do a lot of other videos other than these spoilers, so if you ever want to put a face to the voice, go check those out. And that's it. That's all I got for you. Love y'all so much, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.